Are you over 50 and noticing your muscles don't feel as strong as they used to? Climbing stairs feels harder, carrying groceries leaves you tired, and even walking long distances feels like a challenge. Maybe you've noticed that getting up from a chair takes more effort, or that your grip strength isn't what it once was. After the age of 45 to 50, our bodies naturally start losing muscle strength in a process called sarcopenia. It's a silent epidemic that affects nearly everyone as they age. In this video, we'll reveal the complete blueprint for fighting muscle loss after 50, with proven diet strategies, targeted exercises, and time-tested natural remedies that actually work. Let's get started. Why muscle strength declines after 50? Let's start with understanding what's happening in your body. As we age, our muscles naturally shrink and weaken through a process called sarcopenia. The statistics are sobering. If you stay completely inactive, you can lose 20 to 25% of your muscle mass every 10 years after the age of 50. The consequences go far beyond daily inconveniences. When muscle mass decreases, several serious health risks increase dramatically. Your risk of type 2 diabetes shoots up because muscles are your body's primary glucose storage sites. Weaker joints become more prone to injury and arthritis pain. Your metabolism slows down significantly, making weight management much harder. Your balance deteriorates, increasing fall risk. Your bone density decreases, leading to fractures. Most importantly, your overall quality of life and independence can be compromised. But here's what the research shows us. Muscle loss is absolutely not inevitable or permanent. Scientific studies prove that with the right combination of nutrition, targeted exercise, and lifestyle changes, you can not only stop muscle loss, but actually rebuild strength and muscle mass at any age. People in their 70s and 80s have successfully gained significant muscle through proper training. Part 1. The complete diet strategy for strong muscles. Here's what you need to know. After 50, your body becomes less efficient at processing protein. This means you need more high-quality protein than younger people. Aim for 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. For a 70-kilogram person, that's 70 to 84 grams of protein every single day. But timing matters too. Instead of eating all your protein in one large meal, spread it across 3 meals with 20 to 30 grams per meal. This gives your muscles a steady supply of amino acids throughout the day. Best vegetarian protein sources. Legumes and pulses. Moong dal, masoor dal, tur dal, chana dal, rajma, and chickpeas are protein powerhouses. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides about 18 grams of protein. Dairy products. Milk, Greek yogurt, paneer, and buttermilk are complete proteins containing all essential amino acids. Greek yogurt is especially beneficial with 20 grams of protein per cup. Plant-based options. Soy chunks, tofu, tempeh, and satsu flour are excellent choices. Satsu, made from roasted gram flour, provides 20 grams of protein per 100 grams. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, peanuts, flax seeds, sesame seeds, and seed cans provide both protein and healthy fats. Beyond protein, essential nutrients. Vitamin D and calcium, critical for muscle function and bone health. Get 15 to 20 minutes of morning sunlight daily. Include dairy, leafy greens, and sesame seeds in your diet. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in walnuts, flax seeds, and fatty fish. These reduce muscle inflammation and support recovery. Colorful vegetables and fruits. Aim for a rainbow on your plate. Different colors provide different antioxidants that fight age-related muscle damage. Include beetroot for nitrates, berries for antioxidants, and leafy greens for folate. Part 2. The complete exercise blueprint. Now let's discuss the most powerful anti-aging intervention known to science, resistance training. Many people over 50 make a critical mistake. They focus exclusively on cardio, walking, cycling, swimming. While these activities are excellent for heart health, they do virtually nothing to prevent muscle loss. Getting started, beginner-friendly home exercises. Chair squats, the foundation movement for lower body strength. Sit in a chair, cross your arms over your chest, and stand up without using your hands. Lower back down slowly. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions, build to 15 to 20. This targets your quadriceps, glutes, and core. Wall push-ups. Stand arm's length from a wall, place palms flat against it at shoulder height. Push away and return slowly. This builds chest, shoulder, and arm strength without floor exercises. Heel raises. Hold a chair for balance, rise up on your toes, hold for 2 seconds, lower slowly. This strengthens calves and improves balance, crucial for preventing falls. Modified lunges. Hold a chair for support, step 1 foot back, lower your body, then return to standing. Alternate legs. Builds leg strength and improves balance. Progressive training strategy. Week 1 to 2. Focus on form and movement patterns. Do exercises 2 days a week with at least 1 rest day between sessions. Weeks 3 to 4. Increase repetitions by 2 to 3 per exercise. Weeks 5 to 8. Add light weights, water bottles, small dumbbells, or stronger resistance bands. Weeks 9 plus. Continue progressing by adding weight, repetitions, or new exercises. Critical safety guidelines. Always warm up. March in place for 2 to 3 minutes, rotate joints gently, perform arm circles and shoulder shrugs. Listen to your body. Some muscle fatigue is normal, sharp pain is not. Stop if you experience dizziness, chest pain, or severe discomfort. Arthritis considerations. Exercise in the evening when joints are naturally more flexible. Use heat therapy before exercising if needed. Recovery is key. Allow 48 hours between training the same muscle groups. Your muscles grow during rest, not during exercise. Start slow, progress gradually. It's better to do too little than too much initially. Injuries set you back weeks or months.
Part 3. Natural Remedies and Ayurvedic Support. Ancient wisdom meets modern science in these time-tested natural remedies for muscle health. Ashwagandha. This adaptogenic herb is scientifically proven to increase muscle mass and strength. Take 1 teaspoon of powder in warm milk before bed, or follow supplement dosage recommendations. Studies show 8 to 12 weeks of consistent use can significantly improve muscle strength. Turmeric, Holdi, contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Make golden milk by adding 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper to warm milk. The black pepper increases curcumin absorption by 2,000%. Ginger reduces exercise-induced muscle soreness and inflammation. Drink fresh ginger tea daily or add grated ginger to your meals. Moringa, often called the miracle tree. Moringa leaves contain all essential amino acids plus high levels of calcium and iron. Add fresh leaves to soups, dals, or smoothies. Fenugreek seeds or methadona. Soak 1 tablespoon overnight. Drink the water first thing in the morning. Helps regulate blood sugar and reduces inflammation. Holy basil, tulsi. Drink tulsi tea to reduce stress hormones that can break down muscle tissue. These natural remedies work best when combined with proper nutrition and exercise, not as standalone solutions. Here's your complete roadmap to stronger muscles after 50. Nutrition foundation. Eat 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily, spread across 3 meals. Include colorful vegetables, healthy fats, and stay well hydrated. Exercise blueprint. Perform resistance training twice weekly, focusing on all major muscle groups. Start with body weight exercises and progress gradually. Natural support. Incorporate Ayurvedic herbs like ashwagandha and turmeric to support muscle health and reduce inflammation. Remember, you have the power to rewrite your health story. Age is not a disease, and muscle loss is not inevitable. Take action today, and in just a few months, you'll be amazed at how much stronger and more energetic you feel. If this video helped you, please like, share with someone who needs this information, and subscribe to Health Morph for more science-backed health content. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep thriving.